Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you needed a foot weight device, this is going to be for you. So this one here, it's got good Velcroing ability here. You can Velcro it on to put it around your foot, around your heel, and then these, you can strap on your weights to it. So strong Velcro, so if you need these on your feet, you'll just put them on and can connect up any size weight and have it, hang from there. So we'll just go, my foot. Let me see if I can put it down here. I can put it around my shoe and foot here. Let's see. Like that, and then around. Can you guys see what's going on here? Nope. Put it around there, around here. Strap it up like that, and then I can have the weights on the back there and just be doing weight exercises on my foot. I don't have any weights currently. They took them away right now. But you get the idea, the weights will be in there. And you'll be able to do weight exercises. So if you're doing any rehabilitation or something like that and need some weight, you'll be able to do that. Cool little device. Makes it nice and easy. Thumbs up.